Yes, sir.
Yes. Elrigo Suswagata. All are welcome. I welcome everybody to this English session. Hope everybody you have seen my e-flyer, today's e-flyer. Only 5 persons have joined, participants, only 5. Shall we wait for some time, madam?
Okay, sir. ಅಷ್ಟೊತ್ತವರೆಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಿಸ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ಸರ್.
ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ನಾನು ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಶೇರ್ ದ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಕಾಣ್ತಾ?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್, ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸರ್.
ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್. ಇದು ಕನ್ನಡ ಫ್ಲೈಯರ್ ಇದೆ ಸರ್. ಇವತ್ತಿಂದ
ಇದ್ದು ಈಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ
ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್
ಬರ್ದಾಯ್ತಪ್ಪ.
ಕಾನೋಟೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಈಗ ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Masters, can you please mute yourself?
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡ್ಗೆ ಮನೆ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲ.
ಸರ್, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀವು ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಅನ್ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಸರ್. ಸರ್, ನೀವು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅನ್ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಸರ್. ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ನಾನು ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್, ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೀರಿ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ. ಶೇರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್.
Yes, sir.
Share. Annotate.
Yes.
More.
Yes,
Really disable annotation for others.
Yes, sir.
Yes. I have learned from the experience.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Great.
Camera ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸರ್. Yes, sir.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕ್ಯಾಮೆರಾ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮರೆತುಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು.
Okay.
ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ.
Okay, okay, sir. ಸರ್, ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳು ಇದ್ರೆ ವಿಚಾರಿಸಬಹುದು ಸರ್ ಹತ್ರ.
So if anybody have the questions that you can ask me the questions about my previous sessions. Only very few people have joined.
Yes, sir.
The number is not important.
Okay, sir, we can start.
Start.
Yes, sir. Please, masters, if you have any doubts, raise your hands. Else we can go for the further session.
Hope the entire screen is visible.
Yes, sir, it's visible, sir.
Totally it is visible.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. See, today already I have announced this will be the lecture is in English.
Yes, sir.
Today is May 7th. Today's topic is before going to the topic directly, once again I will introduce the concept of this online digital training program, the purpose of it. Pyramid Spiritual Societies Movement, PSSM Karnataka, is presenting this online digital training program every Saturday 7 to 8:30 p.m. It will be there. The subject is on Kannada and other Indian language technology. It is the series of lectures and demo on the speed and voice typing in Indian languages, translation from Indian languages to Kannada, transcription of the speeches and the lectures, etc., and the translation also. Now, already 4 sessions are over. The very first session is only introduction and all discussion. The 3 sessions are over. Out of 3, 1 was in English totally. The concept of this program is, the purpose of this program is enabling the computer literates, especially one who knows this MS Office, Word, Excel, PowerPoint and all, enabling them to use the Indian languages in their desktops. That is the priority. And voice typing in their mobiles and other digital gadgets. Previously, in my 23rd session, I think on April 23rd, it was in English. Many people have approached me and they have expressed their views that I have not explained them the typing sequence properly. Since I had explained the typing sequence in Kannada, I thought it is not required for them. The newcomers, they felt like that. Anyhow, I will reintroduce the concepts within no minutes. I don't take much of your time. I want to cover up the topics properly. So today, I may show you the Kannada typing also. I may show you the Telugu also, because today's topic, today's purpose of this class is Indian languages. Either it may be Kannada or it may be Telugu. So previously, I had concentrated only on Telugu. Now, my topic, today's topic is speed typing in Indian languages and using typing tutor. In Kannada, in the last session, I introduced how to, which tool that you have to use for learning the typing. One typing tutor was introduced in my previous class. I will introduce the same tutor in this class also, but my medium of instruction, my speech and my explanation will be in English. Previously, it was in Kannada. Those who can understand the Kannada, they have practiced the Kannada. Now, I will introduce the same tool and I will ask the users to imagine that Kannada's basic characters as Telugu. It is very easy because we don't have that typing tutor in Telugu. And of course, we don't have typing tutors for the same layout. In the regional languages, in other softwares, you may get so many other typing tutors. I don't know about it. But my intention of introducing a single software, a single design for typing is to enable a particular user for building the capacity of typing in all Indian languages by using one software and one layout. This is the concept behind this. So the base language always we used to teach is Kannada, and the other alternative language which I know is Telugu. So I will toggle between this Kannada and Telugu, and my medium of instruction will be English throughout this session. Because I have invited many participants who cannot understand Kannada also. For those who have attended the Kannada class, this may be a repetition. So it is better to understand properly the technical terminology and all. So how to use this keyboard once again, keyboard tutor once again. Many people might have missed my session, and many people may not be in a position to understand Kannada. Now this is an opportunity for the repeaters to understand this class in English. So I was introducing the today's topic. Now I will repeat. This is speed typing in Indian languages and using typing tutor, and typing in Indian languages using Unicode and non-Unicode fonts in a single script software, that is Pada. Last time I have introduced this Pada software and I have explained the features in Kannada. Now I will explain the features in English, and I will show you, that is demonstration will be either in the usage in Kannada and or Telugu also, or both. Now speed typing. Why the speed typing is required? Speed typing is very much required for bulk typing, large typing. Small messages we can type by using the voice messages, and one paragraph or two paragraph we can type by using. Yes, I want the participants to see me, and I want this recording for me. That's why I changed this screen sharing this thing. Am I visible to everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, fine. See, whenever I am showing the demo, I will switch over to my pen and paper mode. Okay.
Yes, sir.
That is either any application. Okay. I was introducing the topic, today's topic. Already I have told what is the importance of speed typing, why we have to learn the speed typing. Speed typing is very, very important just to type the bulk matters without looking at the keyboard. We have to type the matter. Okay. Whatever the language it may be, we should not see at the keyboard. That is the concept. And fast typing will happen just by looking at the script or just by looking at the screen. We must be able to type fastly. That is the concept. See, in your mobile, okay, it is very easy nowadays. Handwriting keyboard has gone. Key pressing keyboard has gone. Those key presses are used only for correction purposes. For bulk input, we can use the voice typing concept also. I suggested you to use that Gboard previously. Hope many of you have tried Gboard, putting the text, Indian language text in your mobile. You are able to install your Gboard and enable the Indian language input in your mobile, then it is very easy to select and make settings for various other languages also. With a little bit trial and error method, you can try out those tools. See, I am more particular about using the desktop for speed typing. And for speed typing, especially the voice typing, you can use the Google Docs, wherein you can open the tools menu and select voice typing option and select that language option. It is very easy. For that, only thing is you need one microphone like this, and your microphone should be connected to your laptop or desktop mic. That's all the thing. You try it. No need to show the demo, I think. Of course, it is an online tool for which you should have a better internet connection also. You try with voice typing. I am more particular about the desktop. That's why I am keen on using this desktop keyboard. Many people, they type by using 4 fingers, left and right. So A, B, C, D, E, F, J, K, L, like this. That is their practice. And very sorry, many people claim that they are so fast that they can input speed. This thing is possible. Typing is possible. I'm very sorry. While using only 2 fingers, in speed typing, we will use totally 9 fingers. Because except the left hand thumb, totally we are able to use this. You just imagine, by using only 2 fingers, whether the typing will be fast, or by using 9 fingers, whether the typing will be fast. You compare it. Definitely by using 9 fingers, the typing will be fast. And without any mistakes, we can type by looking at the screen or by looking at the script. This is possible. If you look at the keyboard, you may not be in a position to type the matter correctly. The corrections may be more. That's why the importance of speed typing lays there. Now, there are so many exercises to learn speed typing. There are so many tutors, especially for learning English typing. Whereas there are no specific tutors to learn Indian languages. But I am very much particular about one keyboard layout, which is introduced in my previous sessions, that is KP Rao keyboard layout, which is very popular in Indian language context. So if you learn only one keyboard key positions, that is especially the basic characters. So if you press which key, what basic character will appear on the screen, you have to no need to memorize. Only thing is you have to know, that's all. All basic characters are mapped. Indian language basic characters are mapped for 26 keys with shift and without shift. 2 characters per key with shift and without shift. Already I have explained all vowels of Indian languages are mapped to English vowels, and all consonants have been mapped to English consonants, and Alpa Prana and Mahaprana, we call it in Kannada. That is the vowels that we use more. Dirgha, we call it as the Dirgha. We will take much time. Short period means Rasaswara, long period means Dirghaswara. A is short period, A is a little bit long period. So based on this periodicity of pronouncing, we call it as Rasaswara and Dirghaswara with shift and without shift. If at all it is a consonant, it is Alpa Prana and Mahaprana. So with little effort, we pronounce it Ka. If we pronounce it with more effort, Kha, it is Mahaprana. So this is all common for all Indian languages. Without shift, Alpa Prana, with shift, Mahaprana. Without shift, Rasaswara, with shift, Dirghaswara. This is the concept. And the key mappings are like this. If you press K, Ka will appear. If you press M, Ma will appear. If you press V, Va will appear. If you press S, Sa will appear. This is phonetic. Based on the sound, the Indian language consonants and vowels are mapped in this keyboard layout. This is called phonetic keyboard layout, KP Rao keyboard layout. Already I have explained the concept. KP Rao is a very famous computing expert. He was the vice president of Monotype, the printing company, an international fame printing company. And KP Rao is being recognized as father of Indian language computing. And he is the expert who has given the typesetting keyboards also. And that KP Rao layout is being used as Nudi keyboard and called as Nudi keyboard also, which is a standard keyboard layout of Kannada also, announced by government of Karnataka, accepted by everybody nowadays. Practicing is very easy, and the same keyboard layout can be used for other Indian languages also. Because of that ease of use, it is popular in other languages also. That's why I am insisting to learn only one keyboard layout to type all other Indian languages. Very unfortunately, I don't find any keyboard tutors other than in Indian languages for this keyboard. This may be there, which may not be aware, which I don't know. But still, I will try to introduce this keyboard concept for the Telugu speaking people. The Kannada letters are very similar. Once again, I say it is similar, not same, because previously I was been corrected by one Telugu speaking technocrat. So now I don't say they are same. Even not even a single character is same. They are similar. Okay, okay, madam. Am I talking to Sripadvalli, madam?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Hope you are following now.
Yes,
properly.
sir.
Yes. See, this time I will use both the languages while demo. Okay. The Kannada speaking people who have
Okay,
already attended my session, they are able to recognize the key positions.
Yes,
The,
sir.
the speed typing concept is only that comes by practice only, for which you can practice in the traditional method, that is imagining and pronouncing the syllables or basic characters a, sa, da, ga, ha, ja, ka, la, like this. Or otherwise, you can use keyboard tutor also, which I have introduced previously. Now, this is the time to introduce the keyboard tutor to the Indian language users who do not know Kannada. Take, for example, Telugu people. They want to learn this keyboard layout. Previously, one madam from Sri Lata or some madam, she was asking Akriti layout and all. I'm very sorry. If you are already an Indian language user, I am not here to change your keyboard layout. I advise you to continue your tools, usage of tools, because de-learning is very difficult. New learning is very easy. If already you have learnt one keyboard layout for one Indian language, I am not here to make you to de-learn that and learn a new keyboard layout, because there will be a resistance from our own mind, even which I have felt. For your kind information, my dear friends, I have learnt more than 5 keyboard layouts for Kannada language over a period of time. Basically, it was a manual keyboard layout previously before 25 years back, and after 5 years, we introduced this common keyboard layout, standard keyboard layout. Since then, this keyboard layout is very popular for India, both Kannada and all other Indian languages. For the new learners, because it is phonetic. Already in Kannada, I have told you, if you want to type a word by name Telugu in Telugu, Telugu, you are supposed to type. This is called transliteration keyboard layout. If you type in English, you will get Telugu. And once again, Kannada, if I type like that, we will get Kannada word in Kannada script on the screen. This is called transliteration keyboard layout. I'm very sorry. For one language, we should not depend on the English script, because our mind will compose the letter in Indian language first in English, then that thoughts will be shifted to our fingers and it will get delayed, and composition will happen so delay, and corrections will also be very, very difficult, for which we suggest, as Indian language computing expert, I suggest you to use only one keyboard layout and practice only one keyboard layout for all other Indian languages. If you do that, you can type any scripts in any Indian language based on the sound. I may not be knowing the Telugu, but the Telugu speaking people, they sit besides me and dictate me to type the Telugu script. So as if I am typing the sounds, I will type it and the Telugu script will appear on the screen. This is the beauty of this common keyboard, single keyboard. And there are tools also, my dear friends. There are free tools freely available. Free tools are available. Built-in facility is there to select any Indian languages for typing with the same keyboard layout. So is it not a great facility to the users, madam?
Yes, sir.
Yes, madam, you can keep your microphone unmuted. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
I will be interacting like this. I will be keep on putting some questions.
Yes, sir. Yes.
See, if you do not know the concepts of typing, and if you don't have the practice of using the desktop or computer, my lecture will be a little bit of boredom to you. Maybe
Yes, sir. Yes,
boring.
sir. No,
See,
sir.
if you
No.
know a little bit of typing, the concepts of using these applications, and especially the Windows and the Microsoft typing tools, English typing, especially I was mentioning in my previous class, if you know the English fast typing, if you are able to type fastly without looking at the keyboard, then Indian language typing, fast typing will be granted automatically to you. Only thing is you have to practice the key positions, that's all for the basic characters, and we will be typing the basic characters based on the way we pronounce. Already I have given the theory. Take for example, one word is there, Rashtra. Previously I used to use this word in my Kannada session, Rashtra. See, Telugu people use this word Rashtra for the state, Andhra state. So I call
Yes,
it
sir.
Andhra state. They say Andhra Rashtram. Okay. Whereas in Kannada, we say Andhra Rajya, Karnataka Rajya. Rajya is equivalent to Rashtra there. So this is the concept of translation. During the translation, we must be very careful. Okay. I cannot use Andhra Rashtram here in Kannada. So during the translation, during the typing, if they say Rashtram, I have to type Rashtram in Telugu. R shook with a Ra. Sha, it is mapped in X, Sha, and I will press F key, so that will get converted into Sh, and T, Sh, T, R, that's all. Str. Str is a composition of the basic characters of Sh, T, R. Okay. So if I say only theory, you may not be in a position to understand. Let me switch over my screen sharing to any application and show you how typing will happen for the newcomers. And I am very, very sorry to see the participants are very, very less, and I am least bothered about it, because I am not doing this for online participants. Anyhow, I am getting this session being recorded. My recordings will be available, and hope with that intention also many people may not be joined. And of course, more people may be viewing this, watching this video in YouTube online also. Okay, fine, no problem. Shall I go for displaying the typing
Yes,
both in
sir.
Kannada and Telugu now? Madam?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. I will switch my screen sharing to of course what you are seeing. Which application is this?
It's a PowerPoint.
Yes,
PowerPoint,
yes,
sir.
no doubt, no doubt. This is PowerPoint. So this is today's slide. Copy and paste. Yes, I have one new slide here. Select all, delete. So I will click here and I select all. Everything is gone now. Only the blank paper is remaining here. I call this always paper, means I want to write something on this. So the paper is nothing but the application. The writing tool is nothing but the script software. So now the write script software always I use Pada. Pada is an Indian language script software which will cater for all the needs of Indian languages, both in Unicode font and non-Unicode font. and in 4 major keyboard layouts, and one of them is my favorite keyboard layout, that is phonetic keyboard layout, that is Nudi layout or Kepirao layout. So this much of information is enough for you for the time being. Now I will go to this insert. Okay, I will take a text box. I will click here. The text is ready for typing. See here, can you see this is, what is this?
Kandara.
Kandara, very good. This is font name.
Yes, sir, font name.
So here, so many font names are, this is font style, font name and style. Okay,
Yes, sir.
I will take this font. Okay, and for the visibility purpose, I will take the bigger one. So now, what is the blinking thing is?
Cursor.
Cursor, very good. I will press K now. Beautiful, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, K. So by default, English is coming, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
K. Okay. This is Karnataka. Karnataka. Karnataka.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes. Text box. Now, in the same text box, I want to type the same Karnataka in Kannada script. What I have to do? I have to
You
go
have to
for
select the language.
selecting a script software very first. See,
Yes.
while writing, a single pen will cater for that purpose. So, during writing, you use English alphabets. So, while writing Kannada, you will use your brain, and the pen strokes will be in Kannada script. And if you want to write in Telugu, the pen strokes will be in Kannada style or Telugu style. Okay.
Yes,
Whereas
sir.
in software, you cannot change the style like that. We have to select the tool that is called script software, which will cater for all languages. And there is one language toggle key will be there. We have to switch it on. Prior to that, let me switch on to my, see here, I have kept ready. It is IME, input method editor. That is Pada software. If I launch this, just a single click is enough. Already it has been launched and it is visible here. EN, is it visible?
No, sir, the letters are not visible, but the cursor where you are pointing is visible.
Yeah, it's okay. Okay. I will set here. In my next sessions, I will try to use one more camera. My keyboard has to be visible to you. So I am becoming more and more professional day by day and week by week. I will use one more camera, and I will switch over the camera also next time.
Yes, sir.
So that you can see what I am doing here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now I have activated this. Activation is happened. And now I will select the Unicode Unicode setting. And now the language is that visible now?
Yes, sir. Now these are visible, sir.
Yeah,
They
yeah.
are visible.
Okay, okay. The language, which language is by default it is
Kannada.
Kannada, because I will tell you, my very good friend, one of my friends from Davanagere, he has developed this beautiful software,
Oh,
which is very useful to all Indian language users all over the world. In latest Android also it is there. You can go to the pada.pro website. Okay, I will type here. Oh, already it is in switched, you know. I will press the toggle key. Yeah, this is what the URL of that website. If you press pada.pro in your browser, this will take you to the particular site. Okay, I will show you now
Yes.
how to download the Pada software. After that, I will continue the typing in other Indian languages, and I will show the Indian language typing, because without a tool, how is it possible to type the Indian languages, isn't it? And of course, Microsoft has given the tools, but very unfortunately, you can't find the Nudi software or KPRAO keyboard there. PADA.PRO. Okay. Already it is suggesting download. I will press now.
Yes, sir.
Directly it will take you to the website from where you can download the Pada. See, this is the place from where you can download. Okay. Is it visible now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's visible, sir.
But not completely, I think.
No, sir. It is visible, sir. Now.
Completely visible.
Completely means if you scroll down, then.
Yeah. Okay.
The
See,
major portion which is required, that is visible, sir. It's fine.
yeah, it's okay.
Yes.
Now, is it visible Google Play?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, then the total screen is visible to you now.
No, sir. If you scroll it, then we can see it because the
Yeah,
page is so
okay.
big, no?
See, the Pada software 5.x.6 Windows 64-bit portable is there, This is an ideal thing which you can download and keep it in your any folder, and you can go for the application Pada IME. One Pada IME by name executable file will be there. You create the shortcut of that application, and you take anybody's help. If you are not well versed with downloading the applications and installing, you take anybody's help, somebody's help for downloading this. The beauty of this portable software is no need to install the thing. You can keep it in your pen drive, and wherever you go, you can carry your pen drive and use the Indian languages in any desktop or laptop. That is the beauty. That's why I suggest this version. There are two types. One Pada editor is there, and Pada IME will be there. Generally, Pada IME, it caters for all Indian languages. If you go for Pada IME, that is enabling the pen, you require a paper to write. The paper will be any application, Windows application. Either it may be Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, or any other word processor. Whereas, if you open the editor, that is Pada editor, the space will come wherein you have to type there itself. You can copy paste the text into any other application. Don't scratch your head now regarding the Pada editor. Now concentrate more on the Pada IME, that is input method editor. So here, can you see here my taskbar?
Yes,
below
sir.
here.
Yes,
Okay?
yes, sir.
Yes, this is the icon which indicates the Pada IME. See, the tooltip is telling you Pada IME, isn't it? After installing the Pada IME, if you press this shortcut of Pada IME, one icon will come in the system tray like this, which is visible by default in English. If you press like this, you will get this drop down menu. So this drop down menu here, the control F11 or scroll lock option is there, This checkbox we have to check like this. Now, after checking, that means that you have activated this language software. Now this is ready to use. All other options will get activated. See, go to this language topic. You will find Kannada, Telugu, Malayalam, Oriya, Hindi, Gujarati, Bengali, Gurumukhi, and Tamil. All these are Indian languages. As you know, the basic first default setting will be in Kannada, because the person who has developed this is a Kannadiga and a very great contribution to Indian language computing. And he has given this free of cost. He is not charging anything. And of course, he definitely accepts the donation. If you pay, here is, you can support forum is there, and the donation, this thing is also here. You can donate also. Anyhow, you can use this and you can comment, you can give the feedback. Here, language, you can set this to Kannada or Telugu. Now, I am more keen on Telugu because I am talking about the Indian language computing. I will set this for Telugu. Now the Telugu pen is ready with me, and all other options are there, but I am not going to explain you. Once again, I wanted to introduce you the keyboard layout. So which layout is highlighted now?
KP
Madam.
Rao, sir. KP Rao
Rao,
Nudi
which is
layout.
Ludi layout,
Yes,
which
sir.
is a common layout. Even InScript layout is there. The old, the persons, the users who have acquainted with the typing in other softwares, InScript keyboard will be there. It is InScript means Indian script. So all India level, one common keyboard was prepared previously. That is InScript. Many people might have practiced this InScript, that also being supported by this Pada. So phonetic keyboard layout is there. That is KNNADA, Kannada will appear. TELUGU, Telugu will appear like that. Thinking in English and typing in Indian language, that is the concept of this phonetic. Whereas this is transliteration, phonetic layouts are different. Different phonetics are there. I prefer KP Rao. I suggest KP Rao because we think in Indian language and we type in the Indian language. We type, we press, the key press will be in the sequence, and that pronunciation sequence is used for typing also. No need to memorize the key positions, and no need to keep the keyboard layout and imagine and memorize, and nothing is there. The only thing is the key positions will be on phonetic. You can see at the keyboard and you can type Indian languages very easily. Now in this session, I don't want to show you the typing concept once again, but still there were complaints that I was in a hurry to type the Indian language, especially the Telugu, which they could not follow the renderings of that key presses. Now I will go for the demo of typing the Telugu characters and forming the Telugu word and sentences. This is a high time for the demo. Before going to demo, once again I will repeat, you should have one paper and pen to write your Telugu language. Here writing means key pressing, and combination of the key presses will render the word on the screen. Okay, for which we are using one common keyboard layout, that is Nudi keyboard layout. This layout is being provided in one script software, that is Pada. So now I have shown you how to download the Pada, where it is available. It is available in the pada.pro URL. By typing this in your browser, you will get this screen, and if you press this, the download will start. Okay.
Yes, sir.
After downloading, one zip file will come. You have to unzip that file, and the folder will be created. If you go inside that folder, you will get Pada IME. If you double click that Pada IME, that Pada IME will get launched, and one icon will come and sit in the system tray here in the right top corner, which may not be available to you, I mean visible to you. You have to come here, and I have kept so many shortcuts on the toolbar where the space is not available. Hence, I should go here and press every time. If you don't have much toolbars like this, your tools will be very much available there like this. If the visible thing is like this, it is activated. If it is not activated, you won't get this symbol. That is pada symbol.
Okay.
If I press this and we have to activate the one thing here. So English numeral we can set, the language we can set. Now the language set is to which language?
Telugu.
Telugu. Now the keyboard set to which keyboard layout?
KP Rao Nudi
KP
layout.
Rao Node. Now the pen is ready,
Paper.
isn't it? The language is also ready. Now we have to go to the paper. Which is the paper?
Word.
And I go for Word once again. Yes. Word is generally a word processor, isn't it? Very famous, isn't it? Microsoft Word.
Microsoft Word. Yes.
So here, if you come here, you have to select the font. Okay. So which font I have to select now? Telugu font. I don't know which is the Telugu font. Since it is Unicode, since I have selected the language directly, now the system understand, depending upon my setting, that it should select the Telugu font automatically. My dear friends, Unicode is a concept wherein the universal code, it will cater for all world languages. One font set is enough for all world languages. Previously, it was only 256 characters. Text encoding technology was there. It is non-Unicode encoding, where we have to use separate font sets for each languages. After introduction of this Unicode concept, the latest Unicode encoding system, it will cater for 64,000 and odd character spaces, which is more than enough for encoding of all the scripts of world languages. So now, not only Indian languages, it is world languages. Now the operating system, take for example the Windows, they recognize the languages. Previously it was not. We used to select the font and we have to select the language key. That was the problem. And many people used to say it was very difficult to use Indian languages in the computers. I am very sorry, even today, many people, they do not know that Indian languages or world languages can be used on par with English. And the people will say Indian languages are the scripts, especially complex scripts. And of course, Indian language may be complex compared to the script, whereas it is scientific when compared to English. In English, we have only 26 characters, shift and unshift, capital and small letters, isn't it? Very easy to mapping also. Whereas Indian languages, we have Vattu, Ili, Ga, Kombu, a little bit complexities are there. Okay. If at all we want to find out, introduce a keyboard layout for direct mapping, we would have developed a 400 keys keyboard for us for finding direct key presses. And I am very sorry, ours is not a manual keyboard here. Even in manual keyboard, we used to cut our characters into pieces and we used to assemble those pieces into one full character. So the same concept has been used in computer also. Very unfortunately, the old non-Unicode characters are still glyph-based characters, that is bits and pieces. That is why typing is very difficult and correction, especially the small characters, putting corrections in our typed matter was very, very difficult. Now, after introduction of this Unicode technology, Unicode encoding system, typing has become very easy and transliteration has become very easy and syllable concept has been introduced. If you delete one key, the entire syllable will go off. Already in my previous classes, I have explained this. Now this is the high time to introduce you the typing of one Indian language, that is Telugu, as base for today's topic. I have selected the Telugu language and script, and I have selected the pada here. Everything is set ready. I have introduced how to set the language and the keyboard. If you press K, if you get ka, now everything is okay. This is the test check, my dear users and my friends.
Yes, sir.
Now ka is visible on the screen.
Yes, sir.
What is the paper here I am using? It is Microsoft
Microsoft
Word.
Word.
What is the pen I am using?
Further software.
Pada software. Very good. What is the keyboard layout I want to key presses? That is phonetic keyboard layout, Nudi layout, KP Rao layout. Here I don't find any difficulty in typing Telugu, though I don't know Telugu. I may not be in a position to recognize each and every character, but I know Kannada. Kannada characters are mapped to Telugu characters based on phonetics. So if I press A, if my setting of the Pada software is Kannada language, Kannada script will appear. If I press A, English A, if my setting of the Telugu, setting of the Pada software is Telugu, the Telugu script will appear. This is the beauty of this software. Is it not interesting? Madam?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It is very interesting. Anyhow, this may be a repetition to the Kannada users. This is very interesting now to the non-Kannada users. They are very much eager to know the rendering of this Telugu and the creation of this word, Telugu words, Telugu scripts. Okay. Now, if you press A will come. If you press shift with A will come. If you press I, English I, E will come. If you press the same I with holding the shift key, E will come. If you press U, okay, what it is appearing?
U.
U, very good. I want U. How to
Shift.
type?
Shift U.
Very good. See, this is how the same thing I can press. If I switch this, my pen, my software language toggling, if I set it into Kannada, the Kannada script, the same key presses, if I use the same key presses, you can see the Kannada script. It is so easy. So this has happened because of the Unicode. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, if I press K, what comes? What appears?
Ka.
Ka. Very good. If I press the same K with shift, what appears?
Kha.
Ka. Very good. If I press
G.
G, very good.
Ga.
If I press shift with the same key, Ga.
Gha.
Ga. Very good. Likewise, it is very simple. You yourself can say what I have to press for which character. So I want Pa. What I have to type, madam?
P.
Very good. I want Pa.
Shift P.
Simple. So I want O.
O. O.
Just O. I want O.
Shift O.
Very good. The logic is so simple. I want Ra.
R.
Very good.
Shift
I want
R.
Ro.
Ro. Ra plus.
Yes.
Shift
Now you are telling plus.
O.
Plus. Why plus concept came here?
Link key.
Yeah. No link key. Don't worry about link key. I am talking about all basic characters now. It is very easy. That is direct mapping, we call it. Now the question comes. Oh, now we have to use the key combination to form
Yes,
the
sir.
gunitas. Gunitakshara.
Ra
Gunita
plus
means
O.
that is multiplication. So addition of this consonant and vowel combination. We call it in Kannada Gunitakshara. Okay. What do you call in Telugu, madam?
Remember, sir.
Huh? No,
I don't remember, sir.
You can't remember. See, you have studied Telugu, you know.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Telugu, there is grammar, you know.
Yes, sir.
You know the grammar.
Yes, sir.
In basic characters, and of course, all Indian languages.
Gunintalu we say, sir, generally.
Gunitalu,
Pakka
yes,
Gagga,
that is
yes.
what I am telling. Gunitakshara, we call it in Kannada.
Kannada, okay.
Gunitalu. Gunita means
Gunitalu.
combinations of.
Combination of vowels and consonants.
Exactly, exactly. Now, see, you have gone to your previous days. Okay, thank you. Why the concept of Gunitalu, I will show you. I have pressed Ka and space. I have pressed K and I in English.
Key.
This has become key.
Key.
Whereas in Telugu also, Ka and E, by joining this Ka and E, this has become key. Right?
Key. Yes,
It's
sir.
so scientific, so easy of forming this Gunitalu. Right?
Yes, sir.
Now you can imagine. Now I want Ka, Ki. I want Ka here. What I have to do?
First Ka,
Ah,
K.
don't jump. Don't tell me in English. Don't tell me in Telugu also. If your keyboard you are viewing, if you want to tell in English, you have to tell K and shift A. Okay.
Yes, sir.
If you want to tell me in Telugu, how you have to tell? It is Ka and A. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, anyhow, this is visible here for me also, for you also. At the time of practicing, I will tell you in English only.
Yes, sir.
K and shift with A. I press this. What happened?
Ka.
Yes, this is called Gunita. The consonant Ka and the vowel A. How I have to type the A?
Shift plus Ka. Shift
good.
plus A.
That's all. That's all the thing. So automatically that will get joined. My dear friends, there is very interesting thing here behind this rendering of the Gunitalu or Gunitaksharalo. If any vowel gets a if any consonant gets a vowel next to it, it will automatically join and it will form the Gunitakshara. Gunitalu will happen. That is the beauty. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Many people have complained in my previous session that they could not follow this concept properly. That's why I am providing more time in explaining these concepts.
Sir, one small thing we can help them, sir.
Yes.
As we are writing just as a Ka, I mean, the consonant to vowel, we are mixing it. So people can't understand it is verbally. Even we can just type it that Ka plus shift, SHIFT shift plus A. That will be easy for them to understand.
Yeah, that's what I did in my Kannada this thing. Can you type, madam? Can you type?
That in the chat we can type, sir. Just in the word itself we can type there so that everyone can see.
Okay.
In this chat I can do. We can do no, sir.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
just we
See,
can take
here,
many. We can take many. Different words and we can do that, sir.
Plus.
Yes, sir. This helps, sir.
A equals Ka, right?
Yes, sir. And
yes,
sir.
1 second. Now you want this in English, you know? Okay, I will show you this in
K.
English.
K plus.
K.
Plus.
Is ordinary K, not capital K. Okay.
Yes, yes, sir.
Plus. This is capital A.
Sir, here we can write shift A, sir. Shift A. In bracket, if you provide shift K plus.
Good. You are improving me.
Yeah,
this is how the interaction should be.
This will help us, sir.
Yeah, this
so
will render.
People can write and they can remember this, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
They can remember this.
Yes, sir.
See, this will render these two combinations automatically.
Yes,
this will render like this.
Yes.
So now this is the concept. Now the logic behind this Gunitalu is you keep Ka as base and you keep on changing the consonants.
Sir, now we need for the Rashtra, sir, like this. as we have
Wait. Don't jump.
shifted.
Don't jump. Still, we are in the level
Basic.
of rendering, this gunitalo.
Okay,
Totally,
okay.
the all gunitalo should be typed first. Then only you have to go to the padalo. Okay.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Fine, sir.
Now is the high time. You got the essence, the concept is understood properly.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now this is the high time to get all combinations of the vowel and consonants. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now I will switch to the Telugu mode
Yes, sir.
just by a single click. That is Control F11.
F11.
Now I am in Telugu mode. Ka,
Yes, sir.
space K with shift A, ka, K and I key, K shift with, madam, tell me, shift with I.
I.
Yes.
But it is small.
Madam, I don't know. You have to validate the appearances on the because this is Nirmala UI. Okay.
Yes, yes, Nirmala, you are.
I am helpless here. I don't have a very beautifully visible Telugu font. This Telugu font is being provided by the Microsoft people, and this has got inbuilt all Indian languages, and this is the own default font which is recognized by the Windows 64-bit Windows operating
Sir,
system.
sir, one thing. The first ka is there, no, sir. Key, sorry, key. Key,
Yeah.
we have pressed ka plus shift I.
Yeah.
We have done. And for the key, that is Ottu Dirga. This
Yeah.
is still more, we are, what, the fourth one, sir. Key.
Madam,
So for this,
no, don't go for the methodology, that is method concept. Try to understand the concept, basic concepts. No methods. I'm sorry. So,
can you please
okay.
write this, the fourth one, key
I
also
don't
in the
write,
same way?
because
K plus
if I
shift
write
A.
it, no,
shift
if I
I.
write it, no, if I write it, what happens, you are not in a position to understand the concept behind this vowels and combination of vowels and consonants. Once again, I will repeat the formula. The formula here is all Indian language consonants are being mapped to English consonants. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All Indian language vowels are being mapped to English consonants. This is the basic thing. You got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. And if you type with shift and without shift, two possibilities are there, right?
Yes, sir.
26 keys. So how many possibilities? 52 possibilities. Okay. All the basic characters of a particular Indian languages are being mapped based on the phonetics. Ka, K, L, La, M, Ma, like this. Okay. Shift, unshift. Raswaswara, Dirghaswara. Alpaprana, Mahaprana.
Mahaprana.
See, all these words are Sanskrit words, which you can also understand in Telugu.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it?
Yes, yes, sir.
See, prana means the effort. We required a little effort in pronouncing that. That is called alpa prana. If you want more, it is maha. Maha means great, isn't
Yes.
it? A little bit
Yes.
more, mahaprana.
Yes, sir.
So raswa means short. Dirgha means a little
Long.
bit, the period is long.
Long.
So the pronunciation period is short, it is raswa. If the pronunciation period is more than that, it is dirgha.
Dirgha.
Simple. If you want a dirgha swara, that is consonant with dirgha, you should keep hold the shift key and then press the key. This is the concept. If you want, if at all the key is a consonant, say for example ka, if you just press the ka, K, it will get the ka. If you want ka, what you have to do?
Shift and ka.
Yes.
Shift and key.
Whichever the key you want to type, if at all it is Mahaprana, you have to hold the
Shift key.
Shift key. This is the concept. Try to understand the concept. Once you understand the basic characters, rendering the basic characters and key mapping in your mind is ready, then it is very easy to form the Gunitalu and Padalu, right? With
Yes.
Vattakshara. This is what there was a demand from the users that I should explain all these things in English. That's why I am taking much of my time for this foundation course. I can call this as foundation only. Okay.
Yes, sir.
See, we Indians are very famous in understanding the concept instead of methods. Okay. We will find our own methods out of our creativity. That's why we are very intelligent. The foreigners, they recognize us as intelligent. Why we have made so much of advancement in technology and this software field? Because we are more intelligent people. Indians are. Whereas foreign people, they are following the style of learning and the type of learning is methods. Take for example, how to prepare coffee. How to prepare coffee? If you ask an Indian lady, she says it is very simple. Take some coffee powder and add some water and milk, sugar, and just boil it for some time, and the coffee is ready. This is concept, and it is depending upon your requirement. You put the quantities and trial and error method, and you can change the flavors also, isn't it? That is method. The foreign people, they ask, no, you tell me first what I have to do. Take a bowl, then what I have to do, put water, then put some coffee powder, and then boil it, and then put some milk. So all they used to write up the things. This is called methodology. So after some time, if the instructor forget to mention one method, they will do all steps, and after 10 minutes, no coffee will be ready. Why?
Because the main thing is essence is missing, no, sir. The
Yeah,
creating,
what
how
is
they
it?
are
That the instructor has not told them
to
to
switch on the gas.
yes, and put that on the stove and wait for 10 minutes. That we have to tell them. See, boiling means it is understood. Okay.
Yes.
So here also I am trying to make you people to understand the concept behind this rendering of Indian languages by using just 25 keys mapped beautifully, scientifically and phonetically. Okay, you got the concept.
Yes, sir.
Now, while practicing the typing, don't search for the keys for yetva, autva, dirga, ili, kombu, vattu. So I am talking in Kannada.
Yes. Same, sir, similar.
That is rendering. Same, you know.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Similar in Telugu also, you know. Okay,
Yes,
fine.
yes, sir.
Don't search for that because it won't be available for you. Then what
Yes.
is the concept here? You have to press only basic characters which will render you, which will beautifully coin that syllable for you and display on the screen. Okay.
Yes,
My dear
sir.
friends, if I teach these concepts to a student who is studying in 5th standard, that is the logic behind this phonetic keyboard layout, within no time he will recognize the concept and start typing like anything, and he will ask me to keep quiet and he will show all possibilities. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
That is what I am expecting from you. Hope this is very useful to you.
Yes,
in the
sir.
due course, and this video will be uploaded in the internet, and all other Indian language interested people who want to learn the typing and know the key positions by using this QWERTY keyboard, they can practice by viewing this video. Okay.
Can we take questions, sir? If anyone has questions, last
Yeah.
10
Just now,
minutes.
just wait. I have to finish it off. Now, the concept of this rendering Gunitalu should be finished. And then I have to go to the concept of forming the pada with the Vattaksharas, isn't it?
Yes.
Vattus, and then only today's session will get completed. Afterwards, we can go for the sessions. And of course, I have increased a half an hour session, that is 8:30 is our target. Still 15 minutes is remaining for me. Let me finish it off.
Okay.
Don't make hurry. Okay.
Yes.
No hurry and no worry. Okay. Wait. Sorry to interrupt this kaka kiki kuku. You tell me KU forms ku. K
Yes.
shift with U. That is shift with U. Will
Who.
form who. Isn't it? Ka and E. Okay.
Okay. Hmm.
Ka and A.
Yeah.
A. Okay. Come. Ka shift with M. I don't know whether this is correct or not. You have to tell me.
Yes, sir. It's correct, sir. Come, kaha.
Yes, it is there. It is in Kannada also the same thing is there.
Same thing, sir. Yes.
Oh, sorry. Similar thing is there.
Similar. Yes. Because
Similar.
yes.
See, in all Indian languages, the typing sequence is same. Indian languages are so scientific, isn't it? It's very easy. And the visible similarity between Kannada and Telugu is similar. That's why I took this. Other than Kannada, Telugu, I have taken this. Now the time has come to show you the formation of this pada, I mean words. Pavanaja Kamala, isn't it? Two names
Yes, sir.
without any vattus or without any gunitas. You can tell me one more word, madam. Such things. I have Kannada name Basava. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You tell me one Telugu name.
Sri Lakshmi, you can take, sir.
Sri Lakshmi, I need without gunitas and vattus.
Without Gunitas.
This is the challenging. Direct key mapping.
Jaya.
Jaya. Good. Jaya. I
Jaya.
press J and Y.
Yeah.
Finish.
Yes.
Jaya. And then, anyhow, let me not puzzle you now.
Pavan.
It's okay. Now,
Palak.
you tell me
Palak.
only one word which has only two characters with vattu.
One word.
One word with the two syllables which has one vattu. Vattaksharam. Do you have akka word in Telugu?
Padma.
Do you have akka word in Telugu?
Yes, sir. Akka.
Akka is there. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Even in Kannada also akka is there. Now I
Akka,
press
Anna.
A. I will get. Now I will press
N.
Ka.
N.
Why you have to press N?
Akka. Sorry.
Why you are misguiding me?
Sorry.
Why you have got misguided on your own?
No, I
There
got
should
one
be a
more word.
logic, you know,
Anna.
madam. Akka means
Sorry. Akka.
akka means I is
Akka,
over.
akka.
Then ka should come.
Yes, sir.
K. Okay. Akka. Now vattu. I don't have vattu here.
Yes, sir.
How to form that?
Shift.
I will press once again. Whether it will get joined.
No.
No. Sorry. The logic is different here. If at all the first is a consonant and the next one is a vowel, then only it will get connected. Combination will happen. Otherwise, we have to tell the computer to combine this both the two and render it the second press as it's vattu. See, that is the beauty here. So as a user, what I have to do? I have to instruct this computer or the program to combine these two things. Whereas in Gunitalo, I have not instructed it. Automatically, it is rendered like that because of the program. Here, the program is, it requires one connecting key in between these two consonants. Okay.
Yes. Sir.
Now I will remove this, both the things, backspace. Now over. I press K. Now there is a link key which is mapped for F. It is there in the F position. If you press that F, automatically the K will become K, half, isn't it? Now the time, once again, if I press the K, it will be rendered like this.
Okay.
Got,
Sir.
madam? This
Yes,
is the
sir.
beauty. Now, see, I will press space bar here, space bar here, space bar here. See, this is called syllable. Ka and one more ka.
Ka.
The symbol of Otto, ka, akka. This is akka. Okay. Now, likewise, amma is also there. A,
Yes, sir.
ma,
Ma.
link key, ma. Amma is also here.
Yes, sir.
1 second, madam. This is my temporary arrangements here. I'm getting some trouble with my mobile. Yeah, it is Amma is there. You got
Yes.
the concept of this creating
Yes.
Vattaksharas?
Yes, sir. Yes,
See,
sir.
if you want any Vattaksharas, in between you have to give, you have to press one link key which is mapped for F. You have to press the F. Now, as you said, I will type here, madam. The English mapping I have to type, otherwise people
Yes.
may not understand as per
Yes.
your this thing. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now I
A
have pressed A
plus
plus
K
A.
plus
Good.
a link key
That is F.
F plus
Yes. Plus
ka. A.
once again K.
K.
This is okay.
Akka. Yes. Sir.
You got the point?
Yes, sir. Yes.
This is called link key F. If you don't press the link, tu ka will appear. Okay. Now the time has come. Now I will tell you here. I pressed A.
A.
Sorry, I will go to Telugu mode. A came. I
Plus
press
M.
Ka. I press F. Now you must be very careful now. What happens if I press M?
Mu.
Very good. I pressed M. It came Akma. Akma,
Akma.
which is not there,
Yes.
isn't it? So then what is the understanding here? What we have to catch hold of? Ka and Ma will become Kma, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. This is how the syllable will be combined by using two consonants. Okay. The symbol of the Vattu will be rendered only by depending upon the link key. But
Yes.
during the typing, no need to find any particular symbols here. We have typed here A, Ka, Ma, in between F, isn't it? Akma, Amma. Now let us come to Rashtra. This is the high time. You tell me what I have to type. Ra means R with
R.
shift A.
Shift. Yes, sir. Shift A.
Okay. You are combining English and Telugu, madam. you tell me either A or you tell me shift A.
Shift A, sir.
Generally, let us keep this as base because the visible keyboard is English only.
Yes, sir.
I have pressed R now. Now
Yes.
I have to press this shift with A.
A.
Ra.
Ra.
Sha is there in X. You have to
Yes,
keep
sir.
one keyboard layout with you. Besides mapping key, see 26 keys mapped thing with you. A, B, C, D to A to Z and mapping just to practice it. After practice, no need to verify the map. Okay,
Yes.
it is there. I know it is there in X. Sha.
Sure.
If I press ta, what happens? Ta will come.
Rashata.
This
Yes,
is
sir.
wrong. Go
Wrong.
back. Sha, link key, and ta.
Okay.
Oh, once again, Ravatu is there.
Yes, sir. Ravatu is also.
What I have to do?
Shift R.
No, no. Repeat the logic. Repeat the logic. Repeat the logic.
F. Link.
Very good.
Link,
Perfect.
sir.
Link key. Now, if you press R, it will get Ra.
Rashta. Yes, sir.
Is it not so interesting?
Yes, sir. Interesting, sir.
Is it?
Interesting.
See, in Kannada, this syllable Ra Vattu is there, it will come right side.
Yes, sir.
As in Telugu, it will come like this. Okay. This entire thing, if I space out 1 space, 2 space, 3 space. So the entire straw is 1 syllable. Okay. I will
Yes, sir.
do this backspace. Which character went off?
Ravatu.
Very good. I will do once again backspace. Which character went off? Half. That is F.
Half. Yes.
Removed. Once again, I will press backspace.
Link key. Ta.
Ta has gone off. Then once again, I will press F key has gone off.
Gone. Yes.
Now, the X, that is Sha, will go. See, this is the beauty of it. Of course. Sha, it appeared. The entire, if I keep the cursor in the starting point, if I press the delete key, what happens? The entire syllable will disappear.
Yes, sir.
So during the course of typing, if you do some mistakes, just by pressing one backspace, you can continue your typing very easily. This is the concept.
Yes,
You got the concept now?
yes, sir.
That's all I wanted to teach you in this session. By keeping this Telugu script as base, okay, by using English QWERTY keyboard and the key positions. And let me sum up now before going to the question and answers session. And of course, this is online. I cannot explain you in detail, show you in detail. The time is also up. If you are ready to spare 15 minutes more, I will take the question and answers session also. Okay, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Fine.
Masters, if anyone have doubts, please you can raise
No,
your
before
hand.
doubts, I will sum up now. I will sum
Okay,
up.
okay, sir. Yes, sir.
So the summing up is like this. Today, my dear friends, I just introduced you a software, script software by name Pada.
Further.
I have told you from where that you can get it and how to install it and how to enable it and how to activate it. Okay. And how to select the languages, toggle between the languages, and how to select the keyboard required, and selecting one word processor, that is MS Office, MS Word. And I have introduced you the basic characters, the key mappings of the basic characters. All 24 keys are being mapped with the Indian language basic characters, with shift and without shift, rendering them with shift and without shift, 26 into 2, 52 possibilities. And all possibilities are based on the phonetic, that is sound. If you press K, Ka will come, M, Ma will come, H, Ha will come. This is the concept, science behind this rendering. And next level, I have told you the combination of vowel and consonant and vowel, gunitalu, kaka, kiki, kuku. And then in the next step, I have explained you how the rendering will happen based on the use of the link key. And if two Vattaksharas comes simultaneously, repeating the logic, that is F key. Once again, you have to press the F key and type. If you After pressing the F key, if you press any consonant, that will be turned into the Vattaksharas of the particular respective consonant. Don't get confused here. Once again, many people at the time of typing, they will mess up the thing and they will try to put the vowel in between. After typing the vowel, they will keep on searching. Where is this one more Vattu? I am very sorry. If you do that, you just remove everything and try to retype the entire syllable. Take for example. What is this?
Ra Prabhutvam or
You
remove Ra.
remove Ra. You forget about
Prabhutvam.
Prabhutvam, isn't it? Now this Tvam is the entire syllabus. Pra is one syllable. Who is one syllable? Is it not?
Tvam is one syllable. Yes.
Okay. You have typed like this. One mistake has happened. What is missing here?
Tvam Vavattu is missing.
Vavattu. Yes, you are right. Can I type Vavattu now?
Can we go backspace, sir? Can we move the cursor to the
Yes, your logic is right. You go to backspace and once again you have to go to backspace. That syllable will go.
yes.
The link key
Link key,
va
Tvam.
n ma
Mo.
ta va ma tvam.
Tvam.
See the beauty.
Yes.
Huh? In Rashtra sha ta ra.
Ra.
See the sequence. In the same sequence we have to type. This is so scientific, so easy. There is no stress on our memory power to remember anything. This is logical formula method. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This completes the total presentation of rendering the Indian language, that is Telugu, by using this single keyboard. Now the high time. One more tip, the final tip of today I want to give you is beware of this. Beware of, once again, you must be very cautious in typing the swaralu. Always the swaralu will come at the end. Always it will come in the end. Beware of it. Don't use the swara in between unless you have to press one more combination. Now I will show you a practical thing. That is what I wanted to introduce you here. Always the swara will come at the end of the syllable. Okay. Svecha. Svecha. There is a word in Telugu.
Yes, sir.
What do you mean by Svecha?
Freedom.
Freedom. See, in Kannada, Svecha means the endless freedom. We use Swatantriya in Kannada, whereas in Telugu it is Svecha. Swa Icha. Self desire. Svecha. Okay. I will type this Svecha now. The link key va ye cha link key cha.
Cha.
Once again, it has not been joined.
Yes, sir. Chavattu should come. Cha. Yes, sir.
Svecha. See, this is how. Here, let me remove this cha. It is not required for me. What is this, madam?
Sway.
Sway. See, what is the sequence? What
Sir.
I typed here. Just
Sir.
I will type it in English also for your understanding. Sa.
S plus
Yes.
link
Plus.
key
Link key plus.
plus V.
You are right. Then shift with
Sway.
E.
E.
Sway, isn't it?
Yes.
See, this shift with E or this is called vowel. Always this will come in the last. Even if it is the two combination, that is Vattaksharas comes, everything will be finished here only. and in the last only it will come. Sway. You just divide the characters here. Sway, sa,
Sa, va, a.
a. Very good.
E.
Yes. Always it will come
Ending. Yes.
at the end. You tell me one more word like that. Soham. Okay. In Telugu, okay, I will switch it off. Soham. Soham meditation is there, madam?
Yes, sir.
Soham. So let me remove this hum. This is so.
So.
Okay, only sa and wo. That's all. You tell me a word which has got two vattus and one swara. Think. If I would have been expert in Telugu, I would have given you many more number now. I'm very sorry.
Dhairyam.
Huh?
Dhairyam.
Dhairayama.
Dhairyam.
Dhairyam. No. You just imagine. Shall I show you in Kannada?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, because you have not given me. Do you have the word?
Yukta.
No. One. Do you have the word Rashtriya?
Rashtriya Bhasha.
Then we too have that Rashtriya. Let us take that this thing in. See, Rashtriya.
There are many words, sir, which are similar in Kannada and
Okay.
Telugu.
Ra, Sha, Linkike, Ta, Linkike, Ra. We used to do this previously. Okay. Now this has to be Rashtriya. Rashtriya means E will come at the end. Shift with I. See the beauty. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is rendering, madam. Always we have to type the Rasoswaras at the end only. See, this is the great syllable.
Yes, sir.
Tree. Okay, tree. And I will show you the Ya. Rashtriya Bhasha. Yedi.
Telugu.
Adi. Hindi. Kadu. See my typing speed. Hindi kadu. Hindi Rashtriya Bhashma. Cheppandi.
National languages.
Kadu. Adi Telugu Rashtriya. There is no national language. People used to understand it is national language because major portion of the India speaks Hindi. They consider this as national language, whereas our constitution has recognized all 22 languages as our national languages, isn't it?
Okay.
There is no single national language in India. See,
Telugu.
Telugu. Okay, fine. For me, for you, Telugu, Velugu. For me,
Kannada.
Yeah, I will tell you. I will switch over now to Kannada script. I don't know why it is not rendering. I will see what setting has happened here. D is also there.
Yes. No,
What
it's not
happened?
coming.
Some font problem is there. We have very beautiful Kannada fonts, and of course, today I missed introducing because of the time constraint, the font and the font styles and the Unicode font and non-Unicode fonts. That is pending. See, that is the problem with Microsoft. This is our Kannada. This is our font.
Yes.
Developed by our Kannada Ganaka Parishad, Nudi Parijata.
Can you please increase the more font, sir? It will be beautiful to see.
See the beauty. Like this, we have got beautiful font in Telugu also. I too don't like this Telugu fonts because these fonts are developed by Microsoft people. They don't have lipi soundarya. The concept of the beauty is not there.
Right language.
See the beauty of Kannada font here.
Yes, sir.
So beautiful.
Beautiful.
Can you read this?
Yes,
Kannada,
sir.
madam?
Kannada Kasturi.
Yeah. Kasturi means, what do you mean by Kasturi? Say Parimala.
Flower, smells.
Flavor.
Smells it.
Kasturi. So Kannada is flavor.
Okay.
Telugu is velugu.
Telugu.
Yes. Like this, अन्नी भाषालो दैव भाषाले. Madam, अन्नी भाषालो
అన్ని భాషలు
दैव भाषाले. మన మాతృభాషం మనకి
ఇష్టం.
శ్రేష్టం. Thank you. Thank you.
Sir, what is the font, sir? This is developed by Microsoft. So in Telugu, which font is?
See. If I select this, you are getting this Nirmala UI.
Yes, sir.
If I select this, what I am getting?
Nudi Parijata.
Yes. See, we have a set of fonts, Unicode fonts here. So I can change the style of this font. Here is. See, can you see UNI here? Nudi UNI.
Yes, sir.
This is one style.
Yes, sir.
Another style. One more style. See.
Yes, sir.
This is called font style, wherein you can find in Telugu also.
Okay.
So my favorite, see, this is.
No.
And in my next class, you please kindly remember me. I will tell you the numerals also, Indian language numerals also.
Okay, sir.
Regarding the Indian language numerals and regarding the non-Unicode font and Unicode fonts.
Okay, sir.
So the time is up now. I don't want to continue this session beyond 8:45. Shall we sum up now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 3 charts are there. Let me go to the charts. Gunitalu, thank you, sir. Good evening, masters. That's all. Fine.
It's very clear for everyone today, sir.
It's very clear.
More
madam.
clear.
It's more clear. That is why I used this session.
Yes.
And for me also, I got a very good video now to put it onto my YouTube channel, which is very useful to all Indian language users to learn the keyboard layout. It is one single keyboard layout with one single software, multiple languages. Okay. Thank you, madam. Any questions?
Sir, again the same title should I keep, sir, using one keyboard to type all the languages?
I did not get your.
Actually,
yeah,
today.
Same typing key sequence. I can
Okay.
try with other languages, but who will authenticate the rendering of the language? Okay, Hindi is there, you know.
Yes, sir.
Yes. I will try with Hindi. Our I cannot call it as national language.
Yes, sir.
Right. The language used by many people.
Most of the people in India.
Most of the people in India. Yes. Tell me, madam. Now, see, this is my typing speed. Even you can type.
Yes, sir.
Madam, you can read it.
यह क्या है? Sir, the halantam should not come down. यह.
Madam, I don't know.
Yeah. क्या? Only that line, the line.
Yeah. You want Chandrabindu, you know? You want Chandrabindu.
No, sir. Yaha is simple. Yaha means the Chandrabindu will come. यहाँ, this is यह क्या है, यह किताब है. For that Chandrabindu it's not required. And even for kalam also the halantam, that is it becomes the Sanskrit. Kalam, when the halant will come, it becomes the Sanskrit one. Kalam kahan hai? Only ka, la plus ma.
Madam, I am not an expert in Hindi. There are a very small changes are there by trial and error method. You can correct it and the practice it. Let us leave this trial and error method to Hindi speaking people who uses this Pada software and font. See, this is
Sir,
also
one query, can I ask you one query, sir?
Yeah, no problem.
Sir, here then if we type her, H, only her should come, no sir. Then why this line it is coming here? The down one line is coming.
Forget about it. I pressed H here. Ha came.
Yes. It's fine, sir. Your place, her. This is
Madam,
fine.
I pressed yeah. What is your problem? I pressed. Of course, this is not correct. The beauty is not good. Okay. I pressed shift with A. What you got? I pressed I. What you got? I pressed shift with I. What you got? The same, madam. I pressed K. I pressed shift with K. Same, ditto. The visibility
yes, sir.
changes in script.
Yes, sir.
If you are interested to learn the things, I will take you to the transliteration concept also. Okay, many people may not be interested in this. Okay, thank you.
Thank you. No, sir.
No, fine.
Yes.
Madam, I will tell you. The main intention behind this series of teaching is involving everybody to use the technology in language field, Indian language field. If you know more than one Indian languages, it is very easy for you to, okay, I will switch over to my, this mode. You have to see me.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What I was telling?
If you know more than one or two Indian languages.
Yeah. If you are interested in more than one Indian languages, one Indian language, you can try this software. And you are expert in one Indian languages, you can try with another Indian language in typing also. So your skill set will be manifolded, multiplied, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Many people, they know the language, but they are not in a position to read the script. Then, what is the solution? Our Modi ji will come to Bangalore. He speaks beautifully in Kannada.
Translator, sir?
No, it is transliteration.
Okay.
So he will be provided with the Kannada language in Hindi script.
Yes.
And he practices very well, and he never does any mistake. He never does any mistakes. He practices very well, and he wins the hearts of all Kannadigas, isn't it? The same thing whenever he comes to Andhra.
Sir, it's
transliteration.
Literation. Okay,
the concept is transliteration. Do you want to see that? Okay. Do you want to see that?
Sir, next class.
Yeah. Okay, I will show. You make a note of it, madam.
Yeah, sir. Transliteration, numerical.
In my next class, you should put. You should remember me that I have to introduce the concept of the non-Unicode fonts and Unicode fonts.
Okay, sir.
How to identify the non-Unicode font and Unicode font.
Okay, sir.
What are the features of that non-Unicode font, and what are the benefits of using the non-Unicode font and Unicode fonts?
Okay, sir.
And the advantages and disadvantages. This will be the next session.
Okay, sir.
So definitely the next session will be in Kannada, and next it will be in English for other Indian language people. So do you like this methodology of teaching?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So why I am doing all these things means I want the videos of my own teachings. So I called the people that I will do this for you. The entire world, wherever the persons are there in the entire world, they can join my online class and they can enjoy this.
Yes.
Or otherwise, what I am going to lose, you tell me. Nothing. ನಾವು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಊದೋ ಶಂಕ ಊದ್ತಿನ್ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋರು ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ರು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ ಆಯ್ತಾ see how you enjoyed this language. So shankha is with me.
Yes,
and I
sir.
know the art of blowing that shankha.
Blowing yes.
Okay, do you want to learn how to blow the shankha? You come to me.
Yes, sir,
I will
definitely.
give you a free shankha and I will disseminate the methodology of blowing. If you know the tricks of the trade, you can blow the shankha, or otherwise only air will come out.
Yes, yes.
No sound. Okay. So only by practice, you will get the result. Even I want to insist why I gave this example means, if you hear to my shankha, only you can enjoy my shankha. That's all. If you want that to become a very good blower of this shankha, you practice it. Or otherwise no use. Okay, I will become expert. That's all. So I insist everybody to practice, and if you get any doubts, you try to explore the videos in the internet, and of course I have not introduced, I missed one thing now. You tell me, what is that?
Keyboard speed typing, sir.
Yes, not speed typing, keyboard tutor for speed typing. Make a note of it, madam.
Yes, sir.
Next session, of course, Kannada people, they don't require, because I have already introduced this keyboard tutor to them. In English, whenever I am going to tell in English, you have to remember this point of introducing keyboard tutor for non-Kannada typing persons, okay, who want to learn the typing in other Indian languages other than Kannada. Okay, thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. One more last request is, whenever you get any doubt, don't contact me. Anyhow, I have not published my telephone number, but I am happy to publish my email ID, wherein you can send me email. My dear friends, I will tell you, I have conducted 5 classes till today, but I have not received a single mail of clarification from anybody. What it shows? Two things
Not
it shows.
practicing.
Two things it shows. One thing, nobody has tried with anything, or everybody has tried everything and everything is understood by everybody. Is it possible?
No, sir.
Fine.
Understood, but when we practice, we get the doubts, sir.
Yes. When you get a doubt, why can't you put mail and clarify and continue your practice?
Yes, sir.
Many people will say, Chudam, let us see. Nodona. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Yes, masters, please, everyone, let us practice, and if you have doubts, let us come up with the doubts so that sir can clarify us. We can send through the mails also.
Yeah, madam, you can type my okay. Anyhow,
Yes.
I am having sharing, I will type on my own here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Today I took 5 more minutes. Last session was exactly ended by 8:45. Now it is 8:50. Okay,
Yes.
good night. Let us meet in our next session. My next session will be in Kannada. Try to call more participants. Let them join for the session.
Okay,
Good
sir.
night.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you
So
so
far?
much.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Madam, when can I get the link?
Sir, I have sent you in the WhatsApp, sir. Today's I'll be just sending you. It will take only 5 more minutes. I'll be
Yeah.
sending.
You send me through WhatsApp because
Yes,
that
sir.
is treasure for me.
Yes,
And
sir.
of course, I am in studio also. I am getting the recorded video here by using another mic and all.
Yes,
And I
yes.
will reuse this video for so many other reasons, for purposes.
Last time also, I have sent you, sir, the same
Yeah,
day, the
it was.
whole
I
playlist.
used it. I have
Yeah,
used it. I have
yeah.
used it.
Just give me 5 minutes, sir. I'll be sending this also to you.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank
Very
you.
much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so
The
much.
masters, let us meet on next Saturday. Same timings from 7 to